All right, guys, this is what we're using. A little crankbait. I haven't fished very much this year. I went a couple times with my daughter, just offshore and stuff like that. And yeah, with very little success, which not surprising. Shore fishing is not the easiest thing. All right, so we'll just put that out there for now, and we'll get rolling here. I'm here with my buddy Mark. We're at a undisclosed location. There's everywhere Mark goes from Mark from Open Air Outdoors. You have seen him on the channel before. Everywhere Mark goes is a big secret lake. I'm not telling you where this is. I catch a lot of fish, so I'm not telling you, you know, that kind of thing. So I've been sworn to secrecy. He agreed to take me out again, do some fishing, but yeah, I can't say exactly where we are, but I can say that we're in Northern Ontario. We're doing an overnighter. Main focus, catch some fish for supper. Paddling on a lake is quite peaceful and relaxing compared to doing the whitewater kind of stuff. So yeah, it should be fun, and hopefully we catch something. There he is. The myth, the legend.
Yeah, myth maybe, legend not so much.
The mystery guy. I watch Mark's videos, so I'm like, so we go to the lake with that, you know, certain campsite. Oh no, not that one. I can't tell you about that one. So I can't bring you there. Everything's a secret with this guy.
What I didn't disclose is I'm going to put you to work today.
What?
Yeah, we're going to be building a campsite.
I'm on vacation. I'm here to fish and eat, and that's it. Paddle.
So hopefully we're going to nail some more walleye than anything else.
That's the goal, eh?
And have a late night fish fry snack would be awesome.
Absolutely.
But it is fishing, so nothing's ever guaranteed. But I think we're going to give it the old college try and see what we can make happen.
Yeah, they don't call it catching. They call it fishing. I know all about that.
We got backup food, and we got big breakfast coming on tomorrow morning too.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
You up with a big breakfast.
A couple guys our size, we're not starving.
No.
So yeah, we're hitting a little channel here. Reel up. Yeah, pretty shallow. So warm out, felt good to get out in the water. And we're through. Great thing about getting on this side is, you know, anybody with a motorboat, it's a little more trouble to lift your boat, and if your boat's too big, you're not coming through that little area, so there's a little more privacy and yeah, maybe a better chance to catch some fish. All right, Mark's first on the board.
Just a feisty little bass.
Little bass. Been getting a few bites here. Mark just came through the little swift, and we've been kind of hanging out here a little bit, just casting and whatnot.
Enjoying the weather.
Yeah, basically. And that's that. Not bad. Right on.
Yeah. It makes it official that. Oh, look at him. Makes it
You got
official
your back.
we didn't get skunked.
That's right. All right, so Mark tells me on the other side of this island here, to our right, is where we're camping. Nice. You're happy to get out, eh? Oh, fuck. So am I. So am I, Missy.
This saw is my next.
Yeah, they're good.
I really like it.
And they're good all year round, right?
This one is what, the big boy?
Yeah.
I'd be ready for different.
Damn right.
The fire pit's made up full.
Yeah.
The last time, feel a breeze coming through. But we'll.
No, just in case we do get rain.
Odors and canoe.
Just bear it. Putting the puzzle together. Wouldn't be the first time. Hi. I didn't really bring a lunch.
Yeah, me neither.
I got like a couple snacks or whatever. But
Yeah, exactly. I did the same thing.
So I think it'd be better to eat early. Set up the fire pit.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay.
Chill.
Okay, you're going along the same lines I was thinking.
Re-energize.
Same thing. I didn't bring a lunch. We didn't stop for lunch along the way.
Yeah.
It's what, like pushing 2 o'clock or something.
1:30, you know.
1:30. So okay, we'll do that. We'll have an early supper. We'll head out, do some evening fishing.
Yeah, and if we get
If
something,
we're lucky and we catch something worth bringing home, then we'll have a late night fish fry.
Yeah.
Whatever, minding his own business.
Yeah.
And then when he got off the phone, he was like tooting his horn, right?
At first, if you don't succeed, you try again.
No, you gotta do what everybody else does. Goes like this. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice little breeze. That's perfect.
I like it. Well, that hit the spot. Damn. Now I need a nap for sure. Alright, just leaving the campsite. 5 o'clock. Gonna do some fishing. Great little supper. Early supper. Hopefully we'll catch some fish to make up for the earliness of it. Marc has caught walleye here before down at the end of the lake, so that's kind of where we're headed now, and cast a few here. you go out with Mark and you're eating, and we got a good fill of bass and walleye here. Cleaned it already, cleaned it out there in the canoe. So yeah, it's awesome.
And our bannock cookie. There's one walleye. There's another walleye. There's another walleye. Start with those three.
Smells good. Guess we came out with the right plan, eh?
Yeah,
Eat early.
yeah, that was the best idea we had there. Is have an early supper. All the seasoning in the mix ain't turning black. Oh yeah, extra crispy. Oh yeah.
Holy.
That perfect color, eh?
Yep.
You know instantly when you flip it, you see the color, you know it's going to be a good one. Sometimes your fire is not quite hot enough. You flip it and you know it's like, it's going to be oily. Because if it's not hot enough, the oil, the fish absorbs the oil.
Definitely makes a difference.
I like it. Misty's tending to the fire, just like last night.
Good girl.
And Misty, you like being close to the fire, don't you? I think she knows when they're close to that fire, there's no bugs.
Yeah.
Here, I got some extra potato for you.
I don't think so.
Can I,
That's good.
can I tie a rope on your canoe?
No, there's nothing on the other end.
You can tow me out?
Mm.